All right, so by now you're convinced that testing your senses so that you can understand how well your brain is working and preserve your brain health over time is important. So now you've ordered the kit. What does that mean? Well, you get this in the mail and it pairs with the app. And between the two, you're going to be able to test all 5 of your senses. Let me show you what's inside. This is the 2-point discriminator, or the touch disc, that comes inside the SuperSenses kit. Physical therapists will use this discriminator to test whether or not you have sensitivity down to 2 millimeters for your fingertips, your finger base, and the palms of your hands. This is an important tool for being able to identify how sensitive you are to touch. These are the 4 taste strips that come in the SuperSenses kit inside of the taste pouch. Paired with the app, you'll be able to identify whether or not you can taste these 4 compounds. This is the smell card that comes inside the kit. And when you open it up, you're going to be walked through each of these odorants to see if you can identify each of the odors. So here's the SuperSenses app. And when you first open it up, there's a carousel, so you can select which sense that you want to get started with. The only way to get the SuperSenses app is when you order the kit and you use the QR code. Our commitment to anybody out there who's interested in keeping cognitive vitality and having strong brain health in their 30s, 40s, and beyond is that if you get one baseline measurement and then you ever have a moment later in your life when you think to yourself, I wonder if I'm as sharp as I used to be, you can test your 5 senses and you can find out if they're still stimulating your brain in the same way that your brain is requiring to stay sharp. Take the first step towards better brain health by ordering your 5 senses test kit so you can test your 5 senses from home.